mo sinasaktan. I can sue you.
I'm not really the biggest. I don't want to be stuck in what you would call a love team because I feel like it hinders you from your growth as an actor and yeah.
His constant longing for something.
Are you looking for something?
But parang there's always something lacking in our lives. Parang we're constantly on the search for something in our life, whatever it is. Nakalaan talaga tong taon na to para maayos ko rin yung mga kailangan na ayusin sa sarili ko, sa personality ko, at pati na rin sa mga ibang aspeto ng buhay.
Pero sa hangin na rin ang bagong kapamilya, si Paolo Avellino, na si Kim Chiu ang kanyang dream leading lady.
Always wanted to work with Kim, but I wasn't given the opportunity until now, until the project we did last year, and I was very happy.
Sumuporta, patuloy na sumusuporta sa naging tambalan namin ni Kim for the past projects. Ito na nga, naka-announce ko na magkakapelikula kami. Soon. Sana subaybayan at tanawarin ng mga tao.
You've done a lot of movies with different leading ladies. You did I'm Drunk, I Love You, Fangirl, Ngayon Kaya, and Elevator last year. What is different with working with Kim in this one?
Actually, now that I think about it, parang never lumampas ng 2 beses kong katrabaho lagi yung mga leading ladies natin. Either if it's in the sa series or sa movie. Sa pagkakaalala ko. Pero yung parang ngayon na natanong sa akin yan, parang siguro yung sagot ko dyan, parang hindi nakakasawang katrabaho si Kim. Nakakasawang katrabaho.
Pero Pao ha, I know sometimes it's like management's decision when they offer you projects, let's say, to work with Kim. This is the 3rd time. Meron pa rin yung element ng personal decision. So somehow, you decided to work with Kim 3 times.
Tama naman.
Is there something special why it's always Kim?
Si Kim naman yan. Madali siyang katrabaho. Hindi nakakasawang katrabaho si Kim. Actually, hindi ko nga alam na makakatrabaho pa si Kim.
But you manifested it.
I wanted to work with her. Pero, ayun, never ko talagang in-expect. Kasi parang, after a while, parang naging iba na rin yung tahak ng mga gusto kong gawin. So, hindi ko alam na kay Kim pala ang bagsak ko.
I think if it was offered to me and it wasn't Kim, I'd probably have second thoughts. Yeah.
Nakakatuwa lang, Kim. Nag-working manifestation ni Pao. Naka-work kayo.
Masaya, hindi ko talaga maisip na makakasundo ko ang isang Paolo Avellino na hindi nagsasalita. Nakatayo lang siya, actually, na titignan ka lang niya.
Sa alam mo, Kim, kaya ako tanong yun.
Malayo talaga eh.
Nagbabacktrack sa mind ko yung dynamics niyo, body language niyo nung lang. Grabe yung tama. Hindi, kasi nga re-interview ko kayo eh. So nakikita ko yung parang dati, parang medyo pa. Pero ngayon, hampasan, hawakan.
Yeah. Yes.
Diba? Nag-workout together. Adjust baon. Adjust acting. So,
Basta adjust na nga eh.
And the world gets lost in shade. Know that deep within my core, I'll still love you more and more.
Tama pala ako. Dati na hingi ng makatrabaho si Kim.
Siyempre. Sino hindi ka